Do you want to speak English fluently? Let's learn 30 daily English sentences in just 10 minutes. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Hello. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. How old are you? I am 22 years old. Please help me. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. I can speak a little English. What time is it? Where is the bathroom? How much is this? I like this. See you later. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Practice every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.